What happens when you take a classic 1940 Dodge VC series pickup and completely overhaul it with modern performance and jaw-dropping features? You get a Restomod that pushes the limits of both style and function. This isn't your typical restoration, it's a bold reimagining of what a war-era truck might look like if it were built today with modern technology. This 1940 Dodge VC pickup, freshly reworked by Quiet to Riot Customs, combines the rugged spirit of World War II-era vehicles with cutting-edge powertrain upgrades and an unmistakable, dare I say, planetary presence. Let's start by giving some context to the original vehicle. The Dodge VC series trucks were among the last half-ton pickups produced before World War II, and they were more than just civilian vehicles. These trucks were adapted for military service and used extensively by the Allies during the war. With a factory four-wheel drive system and a tough Chrysler flathead six-cylinder engine, the VC and its successors became icons of wartime utility. However, fast forward to 2024, and this truck has undergone a complete transformation. Pennsylvania-based Quiet to Riot Customs has taken the already solid foundation of this 1940 Dodge and turned it into a modern beast. The most eye-catching modification? Those absolutely massive tires. They seem to defy logic, so large they seem better suited for an armored vehicle or a construction machine than a classic pickup. These Michelin XZL Series 16 agricultural tires, paired with 20-inch wheels, make this truck look more like an American Unimog than a vintage pickup. It's the kind of setup that commands attention whether it's parked or in motion. But the story isn't just about size. Beneath those tires is a chassis that's been enhanced with modern performance technology. While the original frame seems to be intact, much of the rest of the vehicle has been swapped for high-performance parts. Powering this beast is a 239 cubic inch Cummins 4BT turbo diesel engine. With just over 100 horsepower on tap, this engine isn't about sheer speed. What really makes it stand out is the torque. A hefty 265 lb-ft of low-end grunt, perfect for tackling tough terrains and making sure those massive tires can grip the ground. To match the engine's power, Quiet to Riot Customs fitted this truck with a NP205 dual-range transfer case, which gives it serious off-road capability. This is paired with a Borg-Warner 4-speed manual transmission, offering a throwback feel while still delivering modern performance. The combination of a powerful diesel engine, heavy-duty drivetrain, and off-road-ready transfer case make this Restomod as capable as it is aggressive-looking. Then there's the suspension setup, a custom 4-link suspension front and rear with Fox remote reservoir shocks. This is top-tier off-road equipment designed to ensure that even with those enormous tires, the truck can handle rough terrain with ease. It's also equipped with high-pressure hydraulic steering, making sure that driving this truck, despite its size, isn't as difficult as you might think. The impressive suspension setup means the truck stays stable and responsive, even when it's carrying all that weight. Inside, the truck offers a bit of modern comfort to balance out its rugged exterior. Plush vinyl seats, a Dakota digital gauge cluster, and a vintage air HVAC system bring this 1940s classic into the 21st century. Power windows are also part of the upgrade, which might seem like a small detail, but it adds a level of convenience that was surely missing in the original. The entire interior is a blend of retro aesthetics with just enough contemporary flair to make it comfortable for modern drives. This incredible Restomod recently sold for a stunning $108,600 on Bring a Trailer, and it's easy to see why. The 1940 Dodge VC pickup, with its radical modern upgrades, offers the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern performance. It's a vehicle that not only looks incredible but also offers the capability to take on tough terrain with ease. If you're someone who loves to see classic vehicles reimagined in new and exciting ways, this build is a prime example of how you can breathe new life into an old truck. So, if you're in the market for a vehicle that can conquer anything, whether it's the roughest off-road trails or a nostalgic car show, the 1940 Dodge VC Restomod with a 4BT Cummins engine is the truck for you. It's clear that with this build, quiet to Riot Customs has succeeded in creating a masterpiece that will last for decades to come, just as its original military predecessor did during World War II.